Hi, kindergarten. On your seesaw, you will have noticed that we are going to be working with sequencing. It says the Three Little Pigs story, and we're going to sequence. And sequence means, like we did yesterday with Zinnia's garden, means putting what happened in the story in order, right? From first, next, and then. And for the Three Little Pigs, you are going to click on the little YouTube icon right here, and you're going to listen to the story, and that's in the first slide. So after you listen to the Three Little Pigs, and we all as a class have listened to this story before, but if you want to go ahead and listen to it again, there's the option to do that again. After you finish the story, you're going to go back and you're going to click on add your name so you can do the assignment. So let me go ahead and get there for you. Add my response. You're going to click on your name to add your response, and it's going to come up here. So you're going to have all of these options 1 through 8, and you are going to use the little tool down here to drag and drop. So when it says first, you're going to pick the option that was first for what happened in the story. So what happened first in the story? I'm going to look at all of my options, and from after listening to the story or knowing already from what happens in the Three Little Pigs, I'm going to pick which one happens first. And the Big Bad Wolf ran away. Would that go first? No. House of Sticks, the pigs outsmart the Big Bad Wolf. All three of them are dancing happy because they got away from the wolf. He huffed and puffed and blew down the straw house. He huffed and puffed and blew down the House of Sticks, House of Bricks. You will need to try to read and sound out some of these if you're not sure, but it also has the picture to help you, right? He huffed and puffed and could not blow down the brick house, House of Straw. So, which one might go first? I'm going to listen to the story, then I'm going to go and pick which one I think would go first. And I think that might be Straw might be first, the House of Straw. So, remember, listen to the story. If you can't remember what happens in the story in order, and then you'll go and hit add response, hit your name, and then drag and drop which order these events happened in the Three Little Pigs. All right, and when you're finished, hit submit so I can see it in your Seesaw journal and continue on with the rest of your day.